Hello everyone. The topic of our focus is composting. Why composting? Composting has the minimum cost of raw materials but provide ample amount of output with a huge amount of profit. There are different types of composting such as scrub composting, Yugal culture and vermicompost. We are focusing only on vermicompost. There are different scales of composting industry, mainly small-scale composting and industrial composting. Composting mainly requires organic waste, which is easily available in India in ample amount.
Now, composting as a recognized practice dates to at least the early Roman Empire since Pliny the Elder. Traditionally, composting was to pile organic materials until the next planting season, at which time the materials would have decayed enough to be ready for use in the soil. The advantage of this method is that little working time or effort is required from the composter and it fits in naturally with agricultural practices in temperate climates. Now, drum composting is the most cheap method and requires minimum investment. A composter is worth about 50,000 rupees, but the fertilizers that are produced as end products can be sold for approximately 2.5 rupees per kg. The main investment is land, which in many states of a country is provided by the government. Now, composting can be regarded as a green investment because it has a number of beneficial effects on the environment. The earthworm species or composting worm, which is used for this purpose, can be useful to the environment in many ways. Containing water-soluble nutrients, vermicompost is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer and soil conditioner in a form that is relatively easy for plants to absorb. Worm castings are sometimes used as organic fertilizer. Because the earthworms grind and uniformly mix minerals in simple forms, plants only need minimal effort to obtain them. The worm's digestive systems also add beneficial microbes to help create a living soil environment for plants. Research. Let us sum up the economic prospects of vermicomposting. The manure obtained after composting is worth at around 2.5 rupees per kilogram. A small-scale composting plant can be set up for an amount of 10 to 50 lakhs. Composting definitely has a prosperous future prospect.